Hey, it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodle. Go, go, go! Hot stuff in the kitchen! Go! Today I got one that came out of an Umai crate. Go to japancrate.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider to get yourself a discount. So, this is Daikoku Big Chige Ramen. It's spicy. Spicy's big. Hence the name. So let's see here. A pot of water that's been boiled. It just came off the heat. Whoop. Noodle block. 450 mils of water. And freaking big old sachet. And this one goes for 3 minutes, it says. So what's happening? We'll do our quote in a minute, and I think we're gonna scratch off more of them, or crack open more of those tickets. Perhaps we'll win the big prize as part of the large game promotion thing that people are so interested in that they just say, are you playing the game? Do you want your tickets? No. Like every person in front of me in line has said, no thank you. Like the only one. And 3 minutes. So let's get our quote of the day out of the way. These are quotes from the guy who invented instant noodles, Momofuku Ando. Last one was, there's no national boundaries as far as taste is concerned. And then number 279, noodles are a mirror in which the culinary culture of the world are reflected. Yeah, because you can basically localize noodles. Oh, she's singing. She's singing the Pony Sisters song. It's a game that's on her Kindle. Yeah, we are the Pony Sisters. They're like these like freaking misshapen human / pony things. 50 cents off Coke, Sprite, Seagrams, or Barks. Wait, what we got? Nothing. I started the timer. Yeah, we have a minute and a half to go. So all the ones that I go, you can scan those and use them in the game, and then you get points, and you can use them for like coupons and crap. 50 cents off Mott's juice. Don't need any Clamato. Not a big fan. I like V8. Spicy V8's alright. But, I don't know. I don't really hit up a lot of vodka. It's been a long time. 50 cents off pasta sauce. Let's see if we can do multiple at the same time. Yeah! Put some elbow grease into these little stupid tickets. So I got a new light for above. So that's a plus. And I got a new refrigerator light because ours burned out. But it's the wrong size. It looked right. 50 cents off Edward's Pie. I've never heard of that. Assorted varieties. I'm not interested in buying Edward's Pie. More freaking Sunny D. That's so gross. You shouldn't drink that stuff, man. It's so freaking filthy. Slime Cloak. 50 cents off a 7.5 ounce bag of Cheerios, ladies and gentlemen. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Alright. Let's see what we got going on here. Noodles and seasoning. Wow, you can't even see it. Let's do that. It says it's spicy. This smells like another one that's like just chock full of kimchi, which isn't a bad thing. I like kimchi ramen. The one I had the other day was by Pickles, and that kimchi ramen was quite good. I don't know if this is kimchi flavor though, but I'm ready to give it a try. Regardless, one thing's for sure, there's a lot of freaking noodles. Zesty. Very hot. I mean, it's spicy, but it's not like spicy hot that way. It's not hot that way. It's just hot because it's the temperature. Mmm. Indeed, I fancy this. Look at the broth. Good looking stuff. Down the wrong pipe. Yeah, that's a good one. Very veggie, very, oh, not very veggie. That's actually another brand or a range by Nissan USA. But it's definitely got a very vegetable-y bumpus. Bumpus, wumpus, hocus pocus, eaglion. Okay, let's just do this. All right, here we go. Can you see? Yeah, you can kind of see in the bowl. Noodle. Nestle, come on, nestle right in there. Get all nestled in. Yeah, that works. Unnecessary noise making. 10-yard penalty. Yeah. No, really. No. You guys gotta. Come on. Your eggs. Come on. Get nice and close. Nobody's gonna think poorly of you. You're out of the same shell. You're practically shaking hands. And yes, hey, get off of there. Green onion. Niggy. Ooh. Chashu. You're getting close. You really want to pony up. See, Chashu wants to pony up to egg. Egg doesn't want to pony up to egg. Were you guys like fighting while you were in the... Now I'm just being weird. I get it. I'm totally being weird. with the bleak. Seeds of success. Yeah, I don't know now. Sometimes I'll go with like, I'll think the garnish will look nice and be cool, and if I would really was gonna be insane, I could just go and pick a pair of tweezers and take off all those black sesame seeds, but I'm just not that nutty. Not my thing. The oil. Whoa, 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 whoa. I turned it down, but gosh, that seems like it got way quieter. Well, not for long. So last time I had that one was way back. Completely different packaging. That was review number 754, I do believe. Next one we're having, it'll be out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. This is cup. Look at that. It was in a cup. Look at that. Wow. You want to play us out, Mimi? Alright, this has been Hans, and this has been wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Have a good one!